Tired of running out of hair scrunchies? Make your own with this easy crochet scrunchie tutorial. This simple project is a lot of fun and results in a totally useful item. You only need a few simple supplies for this: some yarn, a hair tie, and a number 2 crochet needle. Let's get started. Start by tying one end of the yarn to the hair tie. Make sure you leave a little tail as we will crochet over it to hold it in place. Wrap the yarn over the hook, then put the hook through the center of the hair tie. Grab the yarn on the other side and pull it back through the hair tie. Then pull it through the loop on the hook. Now we need to do a chain of 6. To do that, you simply pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Then repeat the step 6 times to get that chain of 6. Loop the yarn over the hook 2 times. It should look like a total of 3 loops on the hook. Put the hook through the center of the hair tie, grab the yarn and pull it back through the hair tie. You should now have a total of 4 loops on the hook. After that, grab the yarn and pull it through the first 2 loops on the hook. Then, grab the yarn again and pull it through the 3 loops on the hook. Now, we will need to chain 2. This is done by grabbing the yarn and pulling it through the loop. Do it 2 times for a chain of 2. Repeat those 5 steps to work your way around the hair tie. Just think about how much money and time you'll save by not having to run to the store. The next time that your child comes up to you and says that they've lost their scrunchies, all you have to do is whip out your yarn and make one up. You can have your child sit down next to you and learn how to make their own too. When you get a bunch done, push them together so they are tightly bunched. Then, keep working your way around. If you have daughters like I do, you can never have too many hair scrunchies. When you get to the end and cannot fit anymore, you need to end on your chain 2. After you have a chain of 2, put the hook through the open starting loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through the starting loop and then through the loop on the hook. Now, using the scissors, cut the yarn from the rest of the skein, leaving about 2 inches. Then, pull your loop all the way through until the yarn is pulled through. Using the hook, put it through the loop just to the left of the one you just tied off. Grab the tail of the yarn and pull it through to make a loop. Then grab the tail again and pull it all the way through that loop to tie it off again. These scrunchies make great gifts. Trim off any leftover yarn and you are finished! Now that you can crochet your own super cute scrunchie, you'll never have to pay in-store prices again. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our great sewing tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.